Hey, you wanna mess with me? Stupid sandbag! Have a little taste of Diamond Foot Fist! Apart from getting tangled in the vine, the tree, and a few other incidents I'm not gonna mention, I think today's training went rather well. Oh. Hey, who did that? Come out and show yourself! You got lucky this time. Hey, what is this thing? Maybe I've got fan mail. Let me see. Dear Fierce. We cordially invite you to participate in the 99th Martial Arts Seminar on Peach Blossom Island tomorrow. Martial Arts Seminar? Splendiferous! Wait! I got an invitation! I'm really going! Oh yeah! Yeah! I'm going to the martial arts seminar! Oh yeah! I've been invited to go to the 99th annual seminar, martial arts! Oh, where'd he go? Kung Fu Giants, get prepared! I'm coming!
Hurry up, Lou! Hey, did you guess it was us? Bet we scared you, didn't we?
You three little... Hey!
Huh? Oh! What's wrong with him? He keeps making that noise. Yeah, let's check it out. Hey, Fierce, what's wrong with you? That noise, I mean.
I think it's the hiccups.
Huh? What's that?
It's an invitation for me to go to a martial arts seminar tomorrow. But I can't go. Not like this.
Oh, no. It's all our fault, isn't it? That fright we gave you must have started it. I know a way to stop your hiccups. Come here, guys. Listen, this is what we do. Oh, that's the way you do it. Huh? Are you sure it's gonna work? Of course it will. Hey, Fierce. We're gonna get rid of your hiccups for you.
Oh, how are you gonna do that?
Russell's granny said holding your breath can help.
Holding my breath.
Hold it until we finish counting. Ready? We'll count to 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 13, 12, 18, 89, 9, 98. What number's next? 1, 2, 3, 6. I think we fixed him.
So, drinking all this water will get rid of my hiccups?
Trust
me. This formula was passed down from generation to generation in my family.
All right, then.
Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Come on!
I feel much better.
Oh? They came back. Maybe you didn't drink enough. Maybe you should drink another one.
Another one, huh?
You don't want to? Well, you don't want to go to the tournament like this, do you?
I've got to drink another one. Well, I guess so. I gotta go to the seminar.
Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Yes! Go Fierce! Go Fierce! Come on, Fierce, dude! You can do it! A little more! Just a little more!
I can't drink anymore.
Hey, you feeling any better now? I've got an idea.
Huh? What is it?
Bobby Lou, I'll do anything if you cure my hiccups.
Take a ride on a swing. The higher you go, the better. I'm sure that will get rid of your hiccups.
It's too high.
Yeah, the higher the better.
Yeah, okay.
Wow! Go higher,
My hiccups are gone. The hiccups are gone. We did it, yeah. That swing wasn't built for tigers.
Oh, Fierce has finally stopped hiccuping. Oh, they've gone.
Fantastic! Yeah!
Oh, why did they come back again? Oh, are you okay, Babaloo?
You guys got the hiccups too.
Oh,
You guys got the hiccups as well. No matter what, I can't miss the martial arts seminar. Even the hiccups won't stop me.
have a good time, Fierce. Bye.
Bye, kids.
Goodbye.
I'm back.
You know, Fierce went off to a martial arts seminar. I heard he had the hiccups all the way there. Can you imagine that? Hey!
Here, kids, look what I got at the seminar.
Wow! During the physical interaction segment of the seminar, Fierce beat all the other Kung Fu giants in his grade by stunning them with his endless hiccups, which they believe was some kind of inner power. So we honor Fierce as the creator of a new Kung Fu style, the legendary Hiccup Impact. Wow!
I'm fierce, all right. I am the Kung Fu legend!
Wow! Oh, Fierce, you're the best! That's fantastic!
像一 这样的大师喝酒一定很厉害，慢慢一上一大口，自由摇摆。像你这样的大师手法一定很厉害，横撇竖捺勾点头，统统都自在。一点猪朋狗友留在这里守株待兔。扬长啸，对牛弹琴一不小心打上金车，两人开始弄成虎灯，杀了机器人了后，上报读书常快马加鞭，为了这。像你这样的大师喝酒一定很厉害，慢慢一上一。